everyone, I've got something really special for you. These are the lights I used to use to produce my videos. They come in a large zip-uppable carryable bag, as you can see, and you get an idea of the scale on it looking at our 3-seater sofa there. It all unzips, and within is everything you need apart from the stands to create a studio environment using lighting. These lights are the compact fluorescent style lights, not LED, but they're nonetheless really good and are lovely white balance bulbs, producing a really good effect for your modelling. Now this little box contains an adapter, 1 to 4 bulb adapter for another lamp shade that's in there, another softbox they're called, that I'll show you at the end. These are the main affair. You get 2 of these for what I'm giving you. So this is a big silvered reflector that goes round the bulbs, and you get 2 of them, as I say, and they're all nicely stored. This is one of the heads, and as you see they're switchable, all off, 2 on or 4 on, and the bulbs screw into those. There's a good long lead on it. There's the second one. Right, these are the metal struts. There's 8 of them because there's 4 for each softbox head, and they tension up the softbox and make it stay, and they sort of fit in. Sometimes they stay fitted in. They fit into the little slots on the back of the lamps. Right, let's show you how it works. Now, the stand that I'm showing you is not included. There are no stands in this box because I need the ones that I've got because I've moved over to LED, but you can get them cheaply enough. So the head fits onto the stand like that, and then you put this reflector over the top, and then you get those metal struts I showed you. And you can just see in the corners of the softbox there's little pockets, and that takes the silver part of the strut, like so. And then that goes back behind and into the back of the head. I'll show you the other side later. It can be a little bit of a struggle, this effort here, but you've got velcroed corners that you can open up to make it easier, and then once it's all tensioned, there's all 4 in position. It's actually quite a nice solid thing. See how they go in the back of the head unit there, and then just do up your velcros. The side bits are vents. If you leave it on for a very long time, you can open them to let some air through, because obviously they do get warm. Each of the bulbs are 150 watts compact fluorescent lamps. It's about 750 watts in old bulb money. Let's show you the bulbs. There they are. Now each one of those currently will cost you around £17. And I'm giving you, there's 8 plus 4 spares in the set. So there's all 4 in. So I'll just turn it on and the camera will throw a wobbly. There you are. That's just 2, and there's the other 2. It doesn't dim like you're seeing. That's the camera trying to adjust to the exposure. But you can see how they work, and that they do work. Right. Over the front of this, using Velcro again, and into the corners, there are these diffusers, which make sure that you don't get any of the bulb shapes appearing on anything. Sometimes I used to use them with these off because it keeps them cooler and you get a bit more light, but if you want a really good effect, if you're filming something very important, then using these is a good plan. If I spin it round, you can see how effective it is lighting up that corner which was otherwise dark. I use LEDs, as you can see, top left now, but you know, these are what I used to use, and they've been safely stored, packed away, and it's time to pass them on to someone. There's your bulbs. You can see you've got 8 there. Right, now this is the other one I was telling you about, another softbox, a smaller one of my originals. And it has a, you push that down to tension it, that goes down around the bulb holder, and then it fits on the stand again. Just lower it down, make it easier for you to see. Now you can use it with 1 bulb. Now these are smaller bulbs and you get these as well. And there's, I think there's 8 of them as well. So you could use that if you're just doing a very small close-up bit of filming, just 1 bulb. But if you put this adapter in, like so, you can then fit between 1 and 4 of these little bulbs. Just show you that. There you go, all 4 in. Now these are all daylight balanced, they're not your normal household bulbs, so they're the correct colour rendering for your filming. And it's a useful little box. It's nowhere near as bright as the other one, but then of course it's nowhere near as big. Ideal if you want to take it somewhere to light something. I'll just show you, look, that's it working, lighting up that corner again. This switch that's on the wire is either all on or all off. So there's your 4 bulbs that are spare plus the 4 that are in it. Now I want to help someone, so I'm asking no more than £30. £30 for all of this, and I will travel from Barnum Station on the Southern to any southern destination within an hour or 2. So Southampton or up to Horsham if you want to meet me. There you go, 30 quid, it's yours.